Hello guys, this is the Awesome Tuber, and today we are going to be talking about which Ethernet adapters will work with your smartphone. Now there are a lot of people talking about do not buy the cheapest one, do not buy the expensive ones, because there are so many confusion, and this thing has not been really been discovered that much, and people are talking a lot of things and there is not no a reference point to go to, because I was there as well when buying these Ethernet adapters. Well, we are here to help. Anyway, sorry for my English, it's pretty bad. Anyway, so I'm going to talk about which Ethernet adapter work with your smartphone. Now, there are a lot of people saying like buy the expensive ones, buy the cheaper one, or just buy whatever, because there are so many, like there is gigabit speed, 1000 Mbps speed ones, as well as 100 Mbps ones. So well, I'm gonna give you the answer. It does not matter. That's it. You can buy the cheapest one, like I have this here. It's the cheapest one, Ethernet adapters, and it is working fine. It's working perfectly, and nothing really, because if the Ethernet is going to broke, it's gonna broke. There are a lot of questions like this one does not work after 2 months, 3 months, and like this one has a Realtek chipset, this one has example chipset. It does not really matter. What really matters is that does your phone have Ethernet functionality? Does it support Ethernet? That's is going to matter much more. Now there are other intangibles as well, like speeds. Now I have a gigabit speed one. Now it says gigabit and it does give me 100 Mbps speeds, and I have a 50 Mbps broadband plan, so it gives me full speed, so I never had any problem with that, and I would not be going any higher than that anyways, because I'm using it on a smartphone or tablets. So yeah, it's pretty convenient, and you can buy any Ethernet adapter that you like. So if you're thinking of you have to buy the most expensive ones, don't bother. Just buy the middle one. That's I always say. If you buy a gigabit Ethernet adapter, that's good, but make sure that you're not overpaying for it, because it's not very highly unlikely that you're going to use gigabit speeds on your smartphone or tablets. So yeah, if I use gigabit speeds, I might just connect it with my laptop or computer. So anyways, this is it guys. I hope you like it. I hope you've learned something from it, because when I was buying the Ethernet adapter, there was no reference point for me. Like a lot of people are saying like this chipset is better, this one has this chipset, like you need gigabit and anything like that. Does not matter. Buy the one that suits your pockets, and that's it. It will work if your smartphone or tablet have Ethernet tethering or Ethernet functionality in your smartphone or tablets, so it will work. And yeah, that's it guys. And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe. As you can see, we do not have much subscribers here, so I would love if you could subscribe, and I'll see you later. If you have any questions as well, all right, you can comment down in the description, in the comment section below, and I'll try to answer all of them, so don't worry about it. Or if that's like that anyway. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.